kind of video. We are on board 1572 in Bunbury at Bunbury Terminal, on board route 826, which is weirdly the last route that I haven't done here in Bunbury, which is actually the train station connecting one, which has like almost no unique sections. That's why I didn't really care about it. But there's literally one passenger on it who just came from the TransBunbury coaches, and this is not filmed on those other days that I filmed here. It's just a random bus, random day, 12th of April 2024. We're just passing through on our way to Busselton, but I just saw this and realized it's the perfect time to catch it, so might as well just take it over to Bunbury Town Centre, Bunbury bus station from Bunbury passenger terminal. This is a really weird route. It literally only has 2 services connecting to each train, well, train replacement bus coach now on weekdays. Yeah, I'll talk when we leave. What? Okay, we're going on board a cool NH. But on Saturday and Sundays, I think it only has 1 trip connecting to the evening service, and on Saturday it runs at a really weird time or something like that. I forgot the exact thing. I'll put it on the screen, which doesn't even connect to the train, which is so stupid. It's so bad, that schedule. But anyway, let's just enjoy this quick route over to Bunbury bus station. I was so close to crossing a red light right there. Yeah, this route is just literally up the main road. There's like almost no turns. You just turn out from Bunbury bus station, and Bunbury terminal, go straight up the main road to the bus station, just connecting the passengers from the coach to the town centre, since obviously the train doesn't go there anymore since the 20th century when they changed it. But it's meant to be free for passengers from the Australind services, Auster train, free for connecting passengers, but it's very minimally used, even though it goes to the town centre. There's literally only 1 passenger in it, and obviously we have free travel now anyway with Student Smart Rudder, so that's why it was such an easy decision to get on, because I don't even care about paying anything. Going past the Bunnings there. Passenger just pressed the bell and the bus stop was right there. That's so weird. But we were on the right lane, so we didn't even stop. we're nearly there. This is literally the second shortest route after 825, which I filmed in November. Yeah, we're already here. Here's the shopping center. 5 minutes. So fast. Arriving. It's 12:10. Whoa, he turned a little late. I swear he almost crashed into the front fence. And there's some boring feature buses here, of course. Happy run on NH. Here we are at Bunbury bus station. And that is now every single Bunbury route filmed in full.
Luggage and personal items must not be left unattended in or around the station complex. Thank you for your cooperation.
Let's take a look at the 826 stand here so I can show you how stupid it is. So to Bunbury passenger terminal, 827 also goes by there, of course, but as you can see, there's one service at 11 AM going down, which is useless because that's not even when the coaches leave. That's just because it has to come back then, so it just does a service down. And there's no other services on weekdays connecting to the coaches. You have to use the 827 instead for the evening ones, and in the morning as well. Yeah. And then on Saturdays there's no 826 at all, just 827 instead bad times. And then on Sunday there's only one service, which is way before the evening coaches even leave. It's just, yeah, I don't know. I don't even know why that exists. What is the point of that 826? I really don't know what this timetable is. It's so bad. One service on Sunday. And as you can see, 10 minutes to Bunbury passenger terminal. Anyway, thanks for watching. We are at Bunbury bus station. There's nothing else to say now. We have literally covered every single Bunbury bus route on my channel now, from November last year to April this year. And now we're gonna head down to Busselton, and I've actually covered those routes today as well.